Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Welcome to your 6th algebra session by your teacher, Ms. Rida Asif from SM Public Academy Campus 5. So, what were we doing yesterday? We have started subtraction, right? Subtraction. So here, Miram and Alina Salman is there. Alina Salman, what is the first rule of subtraction? Can you tell us? Unmute yourself, bete. Yes, Alina Salman.
The term which is written after from will come first.
Very good. The term which is written after from will come first. Next, Miram. What is the second rule, Miram? Yes,
We
Miram.
have to change the sign of second term.
We have to repeat one more time.
We have to change the sign of second term.
Very good. We have to change the sign of the second term, only second term. Very good. So these are the two rules of subtraction, and we have done yesterday vertical subtraction and horizontal subtraction. Student, please note down these important 2 points which Alina and Miram told you. Okay? Acha, chaliye. I'm giving you again some examples.
Miss,
And yes, bete, yes. Who's this?
Miss, you disabled the camera.
No, bete. Acha, one second,
Yes,
one
miss.
second, one second. Let me check. Okay, now you can start your cameras. Okay? Acha. Now any problem, bete? Now it's okay?
No.
Chaliye. Now students, be attentive. I am again giving you the example. Today you have to solve question 3, 5 and 6 by yourself. All right? Chaliye, come on. The students, here we can see the vertical subtraction, right? First, we are going to solve vertical subtraction. Look the question carefully. So here we are having Miraj. We have to, from minus 12a square, we have to subtract minus 3a square. So what will come first? Pehle kya aayega? The term which is written after from, that is minus 12a square. ठीक है? बेटी ये नहीं देखना कि which term is bigger, which term is smaller. ये नहीं होता कि the bigger term will come first. No, the term which is written after from will come first. That's it. ठीक है? Then you have to write down the second term over there, and then the second rule is change the sign of the second term. If it is minus, it becomes plus, right? So simple. You have done the question and just you want the answer here. Okay? Now, how can you get the answer? Between minus 12 plus 3. Okay? Now this minus sign is converted into plus. So here the negative number is bigger, so you get the answer negative. Okay? Negative 12 minus 3 is 9. 12 minus 3 is 9a square. 12 minus 3 is 9a square. Minus 9a square. Clear, everybody? Now, in the same way, you can do horizontal subtraction. So, in horizontal subtraction, which term is going to be first? Yes, the first one, because it is written after from. You can write minus 12a square, then minus from the question, and the second term within the small bracket. I'm telling you that it must be written within the small bracket Q. Q, Miram, because this is the second term and this minus sign comes from this question. Okay? First term, subtract minus sign, and the second term already containing the minus sign. So we know that from sign multiplication, when we remove these brackets from the sign multiplication, we know that minus multiply with minus, 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 plus, minus, minus, plus. Okay, minus, minus, repeat these words with me. Minus, minus, plus. So when minus, minus, plus is there, we get minus 12a square plus 3a square. So which term, negative number is bigger, right? So write down minus sign. 12 minus 3, we all know that 9a square. 9a square. In the same way, bete, if there is a compound expression, so don't worry about that. It's just remember the basic rule of subtraction. What is the basic rule? First read the question, that from this term subtract this compound expression. So which compound expression is going to be written first? Obviously this one. So write down first this, and the second term must be copied down there, right? Second rule is just change the sign. Here you can see the sign is minus, it becomes plus. It is plus, it becomes minus. It is minus, it becomes plus. And yesterday, in On's copy, we checked the work that he just left one line for the sign changing. Okay? So you have to leave one line for this step. You have to leave one line. Okay? Minus become plus, plus become minus, and minus become plus. Okay? Now just cut these signs and don't consider these signs. Now between 2b square plus 3b square, we get 5b square. Okay? Minus 1 ab minus 4. Now this is not plus 4, it is minus 4 ab, right? Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Okay? Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. And here plus 2 plus 3a square plus 5a square. In the same way, you can do the horizontal subtraction also. First, write down the first term, then you have to make the sign of subtraction. Then within the round bracket, you have to copy down the second term, right? Second expression. Then when you can remove, in the second step, you can remove these bracket and you can multiply with the sign minus minus plus. See? Minus plus, we get minus 4ab. And finally, minus minus plus. Beta, this minus sign is going to be multiplied with the whole second expression. Okay? This minus minus becomes plus, right? This minus plus becomes minus, and then minus minus becomes plus. Okay? This minus sign is not going to be multiplied only with this sign. It is going to be multiplied with the whole expression. Please note down this important point, that if the negative sign is out there from the bracket, it is going to be multiplied with whole bracket. Okay? Not with the first term only. Okay? So after the second term, after the second step, I hope the second step is clear to you. What we have to do in the next step is very simple. Arrange the same variables together, right? 2a square, 3a square. Okay? Now minus ab minus 4ab together. Then my plus 2b plus 3b together in this way, right? And then 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5ab plus 2b square plus 3b square plus 5b square. And now we cannot solve it further. So this is our final answer, right? Okay, student, here on the screen, you can see the question, subtract minus 7a from minus 13a. Okay, it's a rule of subtraction. Yes. Okay, Shanti, it's a rule of subtraction. Thank you so much, Anshara, for telling us. Shanti, it's a rule of subtraction. We have to change the sign. और in horizontal subtraction, आपने खुद ही देख लिया कि minus minus plus हो जाता है, right? And minus plus minus हो जाता है, ठीक है? So, okay. Yes, Alina, what do you want to say? I want all of you to just solve this question and give me the answer. Alina Salman, yes, quickly. Very good, Alina. You have completed 3, 5, and 6. Very good. Acha, now raise your hand. Who can solve minus 13a and minus 7a? Raise your hand in the participants if you can solve this question. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? पहले तो मुझे just give me the answer कि पहले कौन सी term लिखेंगे? Either minus 13a or minus 7a. बेटे, it's very necessary. It's very important to give me the answer right now. Yes, raise your hand. Abdul Rafi. Abdul Rafi Rahil, please unmute yourself, bete. Yes, Abdul Rafi Rahil. Assalamu alaikum, bete.
Walaikum salam.
Bete, what will be the answer of question number 1 and which term is going to be written first?
Miss, minus 6a.
Very good, but which term is going to be written first? Minus 13a or minus 7a? पहले क्या लिखेंगे?
Minus 13a.
Very good, very good. So we get minus 6a. Perfect. Very good, boy. Acha, what about? Thank you so much, Abdul Rafi. Acha, next turn, Aiza Hashmi. Aiza Hashmi, can you give me the answer of the second question? Second question. Second question. Second question answer. Aiza Hashmi. Yes. Unmute yourself, Aiza. Yes, Meeram. Unmute yourself. Yes, Meeram.
Minus 4a.
Minus 4a. Are you sure? Minus 4a. 1 second. One more. Let me take one more answer. Yes, Rania. According to you, what will be the answer?
Minus 9a.
Minus 9a. Minus 9a. Achha, let me take one more answer. On, what will be the answer?
Miss, answer will be answer will be 4a.
4a. On, पहले मुझे बताइए which term is going to be written first?
Miss 3a.
3a के साथ you can see the sign. कोई sign है plus minus
Yes,
का?
Miss, minus a.
हाँ, अब बताइए minus 3a. Then
Minus
Minus?
3 है.
then minus
3.
sign. Okay.
Yes.
Then what
Miss
I have?
7a.
Minus
7a.
minus 7a.
7.
So what will be the answer? Yes. Meeram, very good. I
Four.
can see in
4a,
the
Miss.
chat box you have given me the correct answer.
4a.
बेटे अच्छा on give me the answer. Plus 7 plus 3 का आंसर क्या आता है? Plus 7 plus 3.
Miss 10a. Minus
हाँ.
10a.
Minus 10. Very good, Aiza, Iman, Anshara. I can see your answer. Zainul Abidin, Hadika, very good. So बेटे इस तरह याद रखा करें. कैसे? कि plus 7 plus 3 plus 10. Minus 7 minus 3 minus 10. Okay. Now is it clear? ठीक है? Very good. So I hope now everything is clear to you. ठीक है? Shall we? Can we start the classwork? Can we start the classwork now? May I? Okay. Hania Rahim, remember one thing. Which term is going to be written first? That term which is written after from. Let me show you this term. These terms are going to be written first. Zen, very good. Zan has also completed question 3, 5 and 6. Okay. So here is the index again. We have to again, yes, Iman, मैंने कहा था, but some students have completed these questions by themselves. Zen, very good. Today we are going to check these work. Okay? We are going to check your work today. Adifa, very good. Rania, very good. Bete, again, this we are going to follow this index today. ठीक है, आपने इंडेक्स ऑलरेडी मेंटेन किया है तो प्लीज डोंट मेंटेन द इंडेक्स अगेन टुडे. इट्स ऑलरेडी मेंटेन्ड बाय यू. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन 1, 3, 5 and 6. शांति, यू कैन आस्क मी थ्रू द चैट बॉक्स. ठीक है, 3, 5 and 6. Today's index is 3, 5 and 6. So Hema, very good. ठीक है, now let's start with question number 3. Question number 3. ठीक है, question 3 say we are going to start our work. Question 3, today I'm going to ask so many questions after completing today's classwork so that we can properly learn how to do subtraction. ठीक है, that's good, Rania. Shanti, you have a question, but you are not mentioning your question in the chat box. 1 second, where Shanti? Yes, Shanti. Unmute yourself and ask the question, Shanti. Yes, बेटा. Yes.
मिस अगर हम माइनस का साइन एडिशन में चेंज करते हैं तो हम माइनस क्वेश्चन को माइनस करते हैं एडिशन करते हैं लाइक
Minus
मिस हमारे पास क्वेश्चन था वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3
question number 3 of exercise बेटे, exercise.
मिस
Exercise बताइए बेटे.
मिस
Yes, I'm listening. बेटे question number 3 from exercise 3.3 or 3.4.
नो मिस
पूछिए. From which exercise? Shanti, from exercise 3.3 or 3.4? Acha, I am unable to hear you. She is not speaking right now. I think she is asking such type of question. कि miss, if in the addition, ठीक है? If exercise, I think she is asking this question that if we are on exercise 3.3 and the heading is that add, ठीक है? Add is the heading. Just do the addition. But in the question, we are getting a kind of like this, that y minus z comma, for example, z minus y, for example. ठीक है? तो in such type of question, when we remove the comma, look at this question, everybody. If I remove the comma, I get y minus z, then plus sign will be there because it's a question of addition. ठीक है ना? Comma हटा के we have to put the sign of addition. ठीक है? तो z minus y. But ठीक है? अब इसके बाद I think she want to ask that the questions are for addition. तो हमें ऐड करना चाहिए, लेकिन बेटे हम यहाँ पे साइंस भी तो देखेंगे. We can see here the sign of z is minus. Z containing the minus sign. ठीक है? Here the first z, it contains the minus sign. So here minus plus z is cancelled and plus minus y is cancelled and you get the answer 0. ठीक है? It will be cancelled due to the signs. ठीक है? So if you are having, for example, 4x plus 2x minus x. ठीक है? तो बेटे अगर यहाँ पे प्लस का साइन है तो you have to add. ठीक है? If there is a minus sign, you have to subtract. So simple. ठीक है? तो 4 plus 2 we get 6. 6 minus 1 is 5x. Clear? Is it clear? If there is an exercise of addition, so you have to remove this comma and you have to put the sign of addition over there. Now I hope that everything is clear to you. Shanti? Clear? Thank you, Shanti. You can complete the question. Okay. Nida Fatma, you want to ask something? You are saying that, Miss, please tell me what should I tell you? Okay, yes, Nida, you can leave one page for question number 1. Okay? You can leave one page for question number 1. Okay? And complete it after this online class. Now, students, one by one, you have to show me that how you are completing this question. Okay? First of all, here Ajba Muzaffar is there. Ajba, unmute yourself, bete, for question number 3. Ajba Muzaffar. Ajba, are you there?
Yes.
Ajba, in question number 3, bete, minus 6x from 5x. Which term is going to be written first, Ajba?
Horizontal method.
बेटे मैंने कहा which term is written first, 5x लिखेंगे पहले या 6x लिखेंगे, minus 6x पहले क्या लिखेंगे? 5x. Very good, very good. और किस टर्म का साइन चेंज होगा?
प्लस में आ जाएगा 5 के पहले.
अजवा, show me your copy. ठीक है? it's difficult to understand right now. You can show me your copy. ठीक है? Aiza Salman, unmute yourself, बेटे. चलिए, let's start with these question. Here, Ajba Muzaffar, we can see Ajba's copies is there. Ajba, very good. So here, सबसे पहले we have to copy down 5x, then 6x. Minus 6x will be converted into plus. Very good. We get 11x. Ajba, very good, bete. Very good. Now the next question. Next question. I want to see this question in everybody's copy. In everyone's copy, please show me question number. Question. Yes, Hebal. Hebal, quickly, bete. Hebal's copy is there. Hebal, this is question number 5. You are showing us question number 5. Hebal, there is, 1 second, Hebal, there is a mistake. Hebal, in question number 5, bete, your question 3 is also wrong, Hebal. Hebal, मैंने अभी बोला कि from के बाद वाली term पहले लिखनी है. Hebal, this is not the way, ना. मैं continuously ये बात आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ कि you have to write. कैमरा आपने टर्न ऑफ कर दिया अपना. ओके, हदीका, इट्स योर टर्न. हदीका सलमान, ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी बेटे. ओके, हदीका, कैन यू प्लीज शो अस क्वेश्चन 3 अगेन, ताकि मैं हिबाल को भी दिखा सकूं. ठीक है, हिबाल, नाउ लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन बेटे. पहले हमें 5x लिखना है. ठीक है, 5x माइनस, देन माइनस 6x. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. नाउ टर्न द पेज, हदीका, शो मी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Show me question number 5. Okay, so here first term will be minus 11ab, then minus sign from the question, then minus 7ab. ठीक, बेटे minus 7ab क्यों आया? Take your pencil in your hand, हदीका. Second term क्या है? minus 7ab है और plus 7ab है. Hadika, just put your pencil on the first step, on the first step of yours. हाँ बेटे, बताइए second term के साथ. No, not the sign. The second sign which 7ab. बेटे 7ab के साथ आपने minus sign बनाया है first step में. कैसे minus sign कैसे आ गया? ये plus होना चाहिए ना. हाँ, this sign must be plus. हदीका, the sign must be plus ना, क्योंकि second term plus का है, plus 7ab है, minus नहीं है. Make the plus sign. Make the plus sign. Yes. So minus plus minus. ठीक है, बाकी step is okay. लेकिन बेटे copy down the question properly. ठीक है, अच्छा, copy down the steps properly. Question तो ठीक था आपका, but आपने यहाँ पे माइनस साइन में प्रॉब्लम कर दी थी. ठीक है, तो here this question is correct. Next turn. Here, be careful about the signs. Next turn, Miram. Yes, Zainul Abidin, Miram, Shanti. Yes, 1 second. Miram, quickly. Yes, Miram. Minus 11x, then okay, 11x. Okay, 11x. बेटे ये 5x के साथ माइनस साइन क्यों आ रहा है फर्स्ट टर्म में? फर्स्ट टर्म हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड में, here I can see the minus sign with 5x. Make correction over there. अच्छा, now show me your homework also. Okay, here we can see the homework which is done by Neelam. Everybody check her copy. ठीक है, अच्छा, this is the question number 11 of exercise 3.3 I have given you yesterday. Shanti, look at this question. When we remove the commas, we have to put the sign of plus. ठीक है, there is no need to make the round bracket or small bracket over there, but it's okay if you have made it. ठीक है, तो in the first step we just remove the commas. In the second step we have to arrange the same variables together and we get the answer 2a plus 2b plus 2c. ठीक है, so Miriam, now show me the last question, question 3. Have you made correction in question number 3? Yeah, bete step 1 again containing the minus sign with 5x. This is not the way na. First step sahi se hona chahiye. Next turn, next one, Suhema. Okay, Suhema, show me question 3 and 5. Yes, Suhema, very good, you have done homework correctly. Okay, this is question number 3. Very good. Achha, look at this, look at the work, everybody. No negative sign extra, nothing, no cutting and rubbing over there. Very proper and neat and clean work. Suhema, can you show me question 5? Okay, plus minus minus, very good, we get minus 18ab. Okay, very good, very good. अच्छा, so Hema, second term में when plus 7ab is there ना in vertical method, तो plus वाला sign हल्का सा pencil से cross कर दीजिएगा ताकि it makes you clear that this sign is not going to be considered. Okay, now show me question 6, so Hema. Question 6, very good, like this, everybody. Question number 6, minus 13 and then minus 8 a square, minus plus we get minus 5 a square. Very good, show me vertical method. Perfect, that's great. Okay, in the same way just cut this minus sign and it will be converted into plus sign. Okay, okay, Iman Adnan, where are you? Iman Adnan, next one is Iman, very good, Iman. Turn the page, Iman. Very good. Shabash, beti. Very good. Perfect. Acha, 1 second. Show me question 5 again. Iman, show me question 5 again. Iman, देखिए, in the second step of horizontal method, you have written minus 11. Where is AB? Horizontal method, second step. Minus 11. Look, minus 11, AB is missing. Please write it down. Minus 11 AB minus 7 AB. Okay, very good, Betty. Quickly make the correction. Yes, yes, very good, very good. Now show me question 6. This is question 6. Again there is a mistake. Betty, Iman, देखिए, whenever we are doing any method, your answer must be same. Are you getting the same answer? Are you getting the same answer? नहीं ना, minus 5a square and plus 5a square. कहाँ गलती है? Where is a mistake? Iman, खुद बताइए. Where is a mistake? Where we have to put the sign? Very good. Shabash. So here, very good. Iman, everything is clear na? Acha, now next turn, Meraj. Meraj, have you done? Meraj, you are raising your hand, but I can't see your work. So how can, acha, okay, Meraj is there. Now boy's turn is there. Very good, Meraj. Minus Meraj. Hold the camera properly, Vijay. Meraj, 1 second. In horizontal method, look at the first step. Put your pencil on the first step. Meraj, where is the negative sign before the second bracket? Minus 8a square से पहले वाला minus sign का है? बेटी क्या ये दोनों ब्रैकेट्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं महराज? नहीं ना, तो माइनस साइन कहाँ है इनके बीच में से? हाँ, here, right. अच्छा, माइनस माइनस becomes महराज, माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाता है? माइनस इंटू माइनस, माइनस माइनस महराज प्लस. So in the second step, हाँ, माइनस माइनस क्या हो गया प्लस, सो हाँ ये प्लस साइन हो गया, राइट? सो यू गेट -5a². बी केयरफुल. एंड अगेन वर्टिकल मेथड में आई टोल्ड यू टू लीव वन लाइन फॉर द साइन चेंजिंग. आपने लाइन को लीव भी नहीं किया, ठीक है? ये माइनस साइन को कट करें और ये क्या बन गया, प्लस साइन. कट दिस माइनस साइन, इट विल बिकम्स प्लस साइन. बेटे डू वर्टिकल मेथड अगेन एंड लीव द लाइन फॉर साइन चेंज. Miraj, let me show you work of another student to make you clear. ठीक है? Hadika, have you shown your work to me? Rania Jahan, Alina Salman, are you there? Okay, here I'm showing you On's copy. On, have you left one line for sign changing today? No. How you have completed the work? So much cutting and rubbing is over there. याद रखिए वर्टिकल मेथड में लीव वन लाइन प्रॉपर्ली फॉर द साइन चेंज. ठीक है, आपने यहाँ साइन चेंज किया. शो मी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. शो मी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्विकली. ओके, इट बिकम्स 11x एंड अच्छा हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड में बेटे आपने साइन को इस तरह कट क्यों किया है हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड में? दिस इज इनकरेक्ट वे. दिस इज द इनकरेक्ट वे. साइन को इस तरह से कट नहीं करना. साइन इस तरह कट नहीं होना. लेट मी शो यू अलीना सलमान कॉपी. अलीना सलमान शो योर वर्क टू दीज टू बॉयज टू मेक देम क्लियर. देखिए हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड में वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू कट द साइंस. हमें साइंस को इस तरह कट नहीं करना. प्लीज ऑन डू इट अगेन इन दिस वे. मेक दिस माइनस साइन ओवर देयर. देखिए फर्स्ट टर्म ऐसे क्यों समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस सेकेंड टर्म. ठीक है, फर्स्ट टर्म लिख दीजिए, देन मेक द माइनस साइन एंड देन हियर राइट डाउन द सेकेंड टर्म. सेकेंड टर्म इफ इट इज कंटेनिंग माइनस तो माइनस लगा दें, इफ इट इज कंटेनिंग प्लस साइन तो प्लस लगा दीजिए. लुक एट द वर्क ऑफ अलीना. इट्स वेरी क्लियर, इट्स वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन वर्क. आई वांट यू टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. सो जस्ट डू इट अगेन ऑन एंड द लास्ट इज 2. ठीक है, so -13 plus 8. Why we get plus 8? Because minus minus plus. We get minus minus plus. Clear? Very good. Very good, Alina. ठीक है, perfect. So in this way we can do the vertical also. Done everybody? So here Hamza. Hamza, can you show us your work? Hamza and who's this? Muhammad Umar Farooq. Umar Farooq, show me your work. Hamza and Umar Farooq, both of you, show me your work. Unable to see it, it's not clear yet. Okay, you have words are not clear to me, but I think you have leave one line for sign changing properly. Keep your copy closer, bete. Hamza, I can't see. Hamza, keep your copy closer. More. Okay, -5. ठीक है, very good. -5a², very good. Have you completed yesterday work, Hamza? Yesterday I have given you the homework. Very good. Shabash. Very good. Now next one. Yes, Miriam, you are asking something. Unmute yourself. Yes, Miriam.
मिस मैंने
Anshara, can you show me your work, bete?
मिस
Yes. Abdul Rafir, yes, bete.
मिस मैंने क्वेश्चन 3 के बाद होमवर्क कर लिया है. होमवर्क के बाद मैंने बाकी का क्वेश्चन 5 और 6 कर लिया है.
It's okay, bete. It's okay. ठीक है, तो here minus here we can see Hadika Salman's copy. Hadika, मुझे एक बात बताइए बेटे, horizontal method में take your pencil quickly. Hadika, minus क्या हो जाएगा? When we multiply minus with minus, it becomes what? Just take your pencil and make correction. देखिए minus into minus. Yes, make the sign. It becomes plus, obviously. Please, ठीक है? Now, okay. बेटे अच्छा, अब सेकंड स्टेप देखिए यहाँ पे माइनस साइन आपने जो कट किया है वर्टिकल मेथड में सेकंड वाला, वो बिल्कुल क्या लग रहा है? वो प्लस साइन, सारे के सारे प्लस साइन लग रहे हैं मुझे यहाँ से. What have you done? आपने सारे के सारे साइन प्लस में बनाए हैं. सारे सारे बेटे हदीका, your all signs are just looking like plus sign. Take your pencil and just make correction with the sign. -13a स्क्वायर का साइन आपने प्लस में बनाया है, फिर 8a स्क्वायर का साइन भी प्लस में है. क्यों? Just make correction. These are the minus signs. Yes. So bete, quickly make the correction and do your work in a way in which. So Hema, show me your copy again. Yes. In this way, please. So Hema, upward, little bit upward. Show me the vertical method. Upward. So Hema. Okay, in this way you have to do the work. ठीक है? So I hope everything is clear to you now. ठीक है? See you inshallah. Till then. ठीक है? Till then, take care. And Allah Hafiz. And